So I grew up in Detroit, Michigan, widely known as the automotive capital of the world. A modern car is an amazing thing. And I'm not even talking about driverless cars or what's coming in the future. I'm talking about what's on the road right now. Cars today are digitally enhanced. New technology over the last few decades in vehicles has included devices with incredible sensor capabilities. Those devices can register hundreds of readings per second, reporting warning signs like the service engine soon light. We do that for cars, but my question is, why don't we do the same for people? Why don't we have a service engine soon light for each and every one of us? The same technology we currently use to handle a bump in the road could be used to monitor your current health. With modern phones, watches, wearables, we have incredible capabilities to monitor our own health. Imagine a world where your health data is being constantly monitored and sent to your doctor. That way, your health provider could have your current health data at their fingertips 24 hours a day. Your data could let your doctor know if something has changed that would justify your personal service appointment. It's just one of the ways the office of the CTO at Extreme Networks sees technology working to keep us healthier in the years ahead.